Sushmad. So let's check it out what it is. They are beautiful pair of earrings, and they can be worn two ways. Just the stud, or if you want to wear with some ethnic wear, you can add on these hangings. You can wear them to your workplace, your casual wear. They'll go well with everything. How do they look? I think they look pretty good on me, and I'm sure they look good on you as well. So you can just go and check out their collection. They've got really huge variety of collection. And I've also received this beautiful bracelet, which again will go well with all your western wear, formal as well as ethnic. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Sushmad. And guys, just go check out their collection. Thank you.